Most jobs would benefit from a height adjustable workstation. Very few of those would benefit more than in the manufacturing sector, where repetitive, non-ergonomic tasks can result in pain, discomfort, and even injury, which can lead to downtime and even an increase in employee compensation claims. Some of the largest warehousing and manufacturing companies in the world are moving to individualized ergonomic workstations. Some are even using RFID technology to automatically set the height of the workstation to the individualized user, which reduces misuse and ensures that the user is using the equipment appropriately, again, resulting in less workplace injuries. If some of the largest warehouses in the world are just now offering these types of workstations to their employees, it's safe to assume that smaller organizations are not. Some of the obvious benefits of a height adjustable workstation are improved health, productivity, ergonomic design, meaning that the equipment is actually meant to work with the user, and again, cost effectiveness, reducing those workplace injury claims. Standing can actually burn more calories. It can improve your posture and can actually increase your blood flow throughout the body. When workers can use a height adjustable workstation, they become less distracted and stay more engaged in their work. Incorporating height adjustable ergonomic design into your manufacturing space can ensure that your employees stay engaged, stay healthy, and stay on the job.